there he is. Where'd he go to? Is he like down in the... Oh, there he is. I just got him. Yep.
Did you get him?
Yep. Oh, that's a baby one. Oh my gosh. Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. I am actually coming to you right now from St. Ignace, Michigan. My husband and I came up here for the weekend to celebrate his birthday, and we are gonna hit up Mackinac Island tomorrow. And so we're just staying 2 nights. We're staying at the Breakers Resort in St. Ignace, and it's super cute. I had to get 2 queen beds because the king beds on the lakeside view were not available. Got a little fridge, safe, fireplace, and this is our view. That is Mackinac Island there, and we have a little balcony here too. We just got here, we kind of got settled into our hotel, and now we're going to do a little bit of exploring in St. Ignace and probably go get a drink and get a bite to eat. And yeah, it's a beautiful day. The weather here is beautiful. The drive up was really nice. It's supposed to be a beautiful weekend, and I'm just really looking forward to exploring this area. We've been in Michigan now for about 4 years, over 4 years, actually probably about 4.5 years. And we really haven't seen a lot of the state, and I really want to change that. I want to start getting out and seeing more places. So we were kind of toying around with the idea of coming up and seeing Mackinac Island, seeing the Mackinac Bridge, and I was like, you know what, let's just do it. So I booked us a trip up here, and here we are. The funny thing is, so if you're not from Michigan, then you may not know that Mackinac is spelled with a C at the end. So it looks like Mackinac. And when you say Mackinac, people who are from Michigan will like literally be like, it's Mackinac, like you don't know how to read. So anyway, now you know it's Mackinac, not Mackinac. I learned the hard way because my husband kind of made fun of me for calling it Mackinac, even though it's spelled like Mackinac. Anyhow, we're going to Mackinac Island tomorrow, and I'm so excited to be up here. It's beautiful. Okay. And today I'm wearing my pleated dress that I made. I'll put a link in the cards somewhere over here. I have been loving this dress. I've been wearing it constantly. It is so comfortable. It's so practical. The only thing is I actually ended up adding slits in the side seam because I found that when I was walking, it was just slightly too kind of like, it didn't have enough width for me to actually get a full stride. So anyway, I did add some slits in the dress, but that's what I'm wearing tonight as we walk around. Yeah, you get hush puppies. Those things really move. Good morning. Today we are headed out to Mackinac Island. We just had breakfast at our hotel. They had a complimentary breakfast. And so now we're just freshening up. We're gonna go to the ferry, take the ferry across from St. Ignace to Mackinac Island and spend the day there. And today I am wearing all me-mades. So these are some jeans that I made for myself a while back. These were like one of the first pair of wearable self-drafted jeans that I made for myself. And I never actually wore them because they were long and I just felt like they were gonna get dirty. So before this trip, I cut them off into shorts, and I think they're actually much better as shorts. And then I'm wearing my tank top that I made in my video a few weeks back. I've been wearing these tank tops so much then of course I've got some sensible footwear because we are going to be doing some biking today. Also going to be bringing this hat that I made. I am planning to share a tutorial for this because I love how it turned out. I think it looks so cute. So I'm bringing this today. I might wear it if, you know, the wind gets a little out of control when we're bicycling around the island or on the ferry. It's very comfy, and yeah, I'll have a pattern for this hat very soon, probably next week. So the week after you see this video, I'll have another video showing how I made this hat, and I have a pattern for it and a couple of versions too that I ended up doing for this one. And it's reversible. How cool is that? It's actually I tricked you. Oh, let's sit on that second row there.
Legislature to build the Mackinac Bridge. It went under construction in 1954 and opened up to traffic in November of 1957. In 1957, she was the largest suspension bridge in the world. Today, she marks number 17 on that very same list. But she still is the largest suspension bridge in the Western Hemisphere. Just to give you a little size comparison, the entirety of the bridge can fit between those two towers.
Whoa, my gosh. Gosh. Ah. Oh, look at you. I think I got that on camera too. I got it. Oh.
like throw it parallel with the water.
That's what I was thinking to do, but it's not working. Look at my red stone skipping. Flute. Got little window holes. Do it. Yeah.
Want some?
Yeah, I'll take a little bit. Thank you. Gosh.
Sustenance.
There's that boat over there. Cool.
morning again. It is our last day in St. Ignace. We're actually just gonna go get some breakfast this morning at a place called Java Joe's. Then we're gonna head out. I'll show you what I'm wearing today. So I'm just wearing my little tank top that I made in my video. I wear these tank tops all the time, like I said before, and then I'm wearing a birdie button up over that just to kind of keep me a little bit warmer in case I get chilly. Got on some cut-off shorts and some little sandals, very casual and comfortable.